Most rocket scientists are boring. When they test a new heavy-lift rocket, they usually carry mass simulators, which is just a fancy, scientific way of saying giant, heavy blocks of concrete. But back in 2018, Elon Musk looked at the SpaceX Falcon Heavy and thought, you know what this billion-dollar piece of hardware needs? My personal 2008 cherry red Tesla Roadster and a mannequin in a spacesuit. While the rest of us were struggling to parallel park at the grocery store, Elon was launching a convertible into deep space. He strapped a dummy named Starman into the driver's seat, propped one arm out the window like he was cruising for milkshakes, and programmed the dashboard to read, "Don't panic," in big, friendly letters. NASA was probably watching the monitors thinking, "Sir, we usually send satellites or sophisticated climate sensors," and Elon was basically like, "Nah, let's see if David Bowie sounds better in a vacuum." It was the ultimate weird flex but okay moment in human history. But here's the thing, it wasn't just a billionaire playing with his toys, it was a branding masterstroke. Most companies pay $5 million for a 30-second Super Bowl ad that everyone forgets by Monday. Elon got a permanent, high-definition commercial for 2 different companies at once, orbiting the sun for the next few million years. He didn't just prove the rocket worked, he turned a dry engineering test into a global cinematic event. Now, somewhere out past the orbit of Mars, there's a Tesla floating around with absolutely 0 miles on the odometer, but the most legendary car for sale story of all time. It's officially the most expensive lost my car in a parking lot situation in the history of the universe. If an alien civilization ever finds us, their first impression of humanity is going to be a plastic man in a red sports car who forgot to bring a charging cable.